Hi and everyone, my name is Krishna. This is tutorial number 41. As I discussed before beginner tutorial number 40, I have discussed about multi-solid section. Now it is similar, but it is removed multi-solid section. So this tutorial is called revolved multi-solid section. So just remove the material in multi-solid section. So I am going to choose XY plane, select sketch. Now choose the center rectangle or circle. I'll choose a circle. Okay, exit. Now go to pad and extrude up to 200. Okay. By default pad okay. So now I'm going to remove the material in multi-solid section. So how I will do, just rotate. So now I'm going to make a plane, three plane, 1 2 and 3. So now uh, just rotate or else choose this plane, go to start shape, generative shape design. Now go to plane. Now you just give a distance 10 mm. Okay. Now select this plane, select a sketch. Now choose the circle. Okay, exit from the sketch. Now one sketch is done. Now I will sketch on the surface this plane. So select sketch. Now choose circle, go to exit. Now two plane or two sketch is done. Now I'm going to sketch one more. Just rotate the plane and I'm going to sketch in this surface. Select a sketch. Now choose the circle. Okay, exit. Now just rotate like this. Now I'm going to use the multi-solid section removed material. So now just select the part. Now there is an option, this is the multi-solid section. In below you can see the removed multi-solid section. So click the multi-solid section, remove multi-solid section. So select one by one. I'll select this sketch 3. Now I'll select this sketch 2, select sketch 3. Now the direction, it should be in one direction. So this is this direction, this one, but this is the opposite direction. Change it the direction. Now go to preview. Now click OK. Now just rotate and see. So now you see, so this is called multi-solid section, removed multi-solid section. I'll give you one more example. Just this multi-solid section, just delete it. Pad 1 also just delete. Now I'll choose this plane, YZ plane, select a sketch, select center rectangle, exit. Now just go to pad, give a distance 20 mm, and I'll give the another side also 20 mm. Now go to preview, click OK, fit. So now I'm going to make a hole or remove the material of this rectangle. So I'll sketch one in this plane, select this plane, sketch. Now I will remove the material like circle type. OK, exit. Now I'm going to make a sketch on this surface, select a sketch. Now choose the center rectangle or a square. I'll choose the center rectangle. OK, exit. Now I'm going to choose, if you want to make a through hole, you can take sketch on this opposite side's surface, this surface, or else if you want to make a hole till here, so you can make another plane, start, shape, generative, then choose the plane this side and give it a distance 15. OK, till yet I am going to make a hole or remove the material. Select this sketch plane or a sketch, fit. Now I'll choose the circle, like this. OK, so now there is a 3 plane. Now I'm going to use this multi-solid section. So go to start, mechanical design and part. Now you can see this is the removed multi-solid section, or else you can find it from insert. You can go to insert and sketch based feature, go down. Now here it is, multi-solid section, remove multi-solid section, click this one. Now select, this is the one, sketch 7, sketch 6, sketch 5. Go to preview, so direction it is not in the same direction, so give us the direction. go back. Now just delete this, go to, now just delete this one, or else just go to this surface. Now just delete this line, and now select this surface, sketch, and I will sketch same circle, because point is not direction is not in the same direction, so that is the reason it's not getting remove the material. Now it will work. So now go to remove multi solid section, select this is the one, sketch 9, sketch 6, sketch 8, go to preview. Now click OK. Now you can see it is a hole here. Till yet I complete the hole. So this is called removed multi solid section, remove material multi solid section. So I hope you understand this tutorial. So in next video I will discuss with another example of another command. Thank you for watching.